Yo, what's up? It's Xolo.
Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Phantom Sage.
Hey guys, this is Joe Cohen.
Hey everyone, it's Skylink here.
Hey, Electrolyte here.
Hey, this is Halcyon.
Hey guys, it's Rob Gaster here.
Hey, it's Chris Linton here.
Hey, it's Alex Renault.
Yo guys, this is DevCav. Thank you so much for your support over the past few years.
Hey guys, this is Jim Yosef. I just want to give a huge congrats to NCS for hitting 10 million subs on YouTube. And thank you all so much for the support over the years.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all for the amazing support.
Thank you for supporting my first ever NCS release.
Thank you so much for the support that you've given me.
Thank you all for your support.
Hey guys, this is Anna Yvette wishing NCS a huge congratulations on reaching 10 million subscribers on YouTube.
Hello everyone, we are Diviners.
As NCS reached 10 million subscribers, we are so proud to be a part of it.
Hey, this is Anecdote. I love you guys. You guys are the best.
Hey, it's Anukshuk. Proud to be a member of the NCS family.
Hello guys, this is Jackson.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's LFZ.
Hey, this is Ice Cold.
Hey, what's up guys? MSK here.
Hey guys, Axel and Kirkcast here. Just want to say well done to NCS for reaching such a huge goal.
Hey, I'm Tal, Sexwell.
Hey guys, it's Voicians and I just want to say thank you for listening to my music and all the support here on NCS.